This is a 2006 Terramite T9. It spent most of its early life in the rental community in a rental fleet. I purchased it from a rental company in 2017. So now it's 2025. I've owned the machine for 8 years. Probably 2 years into my ownership, all of the hydraulic cylinders started to leak. And they began leaking more and more and more. I don't know if the image is still there, but I can remember looking at Google Earth at our home, and you could see an oil stain on the ground around where I had parked the Terramite. So yeah, the leaking cylinders did get pretty bad. I had been promising myself and the machine that I would replace the seals, rebuild all of the hydraulic cylinders, but I never got around to it. It's also fear. I had never done that kind of work before, and I was afraid I would get in over my head and I wouldn't be able to succeed. But I persevered. I just kept going, and I was successful. And today, the short video you will see is moments after I finished rebuilding the cylinders, got everything back together, and I started doing my normal fall tasks with this machine. It's nothing great. It's nothing big, earth-shattering, earth-moving, but we need this machine around our home. It is my right-hand man, my number one helper, when we need to do stuff. I did document all of the work that I did in shooting video footage. Part of it is putting together a video, hopefully, that other people can follow. It's not necessarily a how to do it, it's how I did it. Rebuilding the front cylinders, the bucket curl cylinders, the lift arm cylinders, adding some new hoses. I also rebuilt all of the cylinders on the backhoe. I replaced all of the hoses on the backhoe. I also had to make some modifications back there. I rebuilt or added a stiffener to the yoke where the boom fits into the back of the tractor. There is a story that this tractor flipped over at one point. And as I started to rebuild the cylinders and add new hoses, I found evidence of where the machine had flipped over. And I wanted to make those repairs as best as I could while the machine was apart. And I didn't do things professionally. I'm not a professional, but it's good enough. We have 0.6 of an acre. It's pretty much flat. All of the heavy work I have done with the machine already in our new home. So it's just little things here and there. And boy, I tell you what, this is the best investment I've ever made in my life. So I'm going to share just a few of the chores that I normally do in the fall. And that'll be it. I will show a full video at some point here in the near future.